Shh. Miffy is sleeping. Do you want to try and figure out what Miffy is dreaming about?
Yes.
Okay, let's look and see. It's a cloud. Okay, so there's one cloud in Miffy's dream. Look, now Miffy is dreaming about umbrellas. Let's count them together. 1, 2. Wow, there are 2 umbrellas. And now there are raincoats in the dream too. Let's count the raincoats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good counting. There are 4 raincoats. So let's see. Miffy is dreaming about 1 cloud, 2 umbrellas, and 4 raincoats. What do you think Miffy is dreaming about?
A rainstorm!
Oh, yes. Miffy is dreaming about a rainstorm with a cloud to make the rain and umbrellas and raincoats to keep Miffy and her friends dry. Wow, listen to that rainstorm.